water in our lives?
Grandma, the other day you told me why we should save water and not dirty it. Can you tell me some more things about water today?
Sure, Katie. Let me begin with the natural sources of water. Rain is the main source of water on earth. It fills water bodies like lakes, rivers, ponds, seas, and oceans. Seas and oceans contain salty water, which is unfit for drinking. We can only use water from rivers and lakes for drinking. Some rainwater also seeps into the ground. Underground water can be drawn out by digging wells, hand pumps, and tube wells.
Grandma, how does water reach our house?
Water from rivers and lakes reaches our houses through pipeline. It is then stored in huge overhead or underground tanks. From here it comes to the taps in our houses. This water is not very clean. We should boil or filter it before drinking.
Do we have special vessels to store this water, Grandma?
Katie, water takes the shape of the vessel it is poured into. It does not have a definite shape. Different vessels can hold different amounts of water. We can store water in containers made of glass, plastic, or metals like steel, aluminum, copper, and brass. We can also store it in earthen pots. We must store and handle drinking water properly. Let me tell you how it can be done. Store water in covered containers. Clean the containers every day. Do not use water stored for many days for drinking. Use it only for tasks like washing clothes, mopping, and watering plants. Take out water from deep containers with the help of a ladle. Do not put your hands into drinking water. It makes the water dirty.
Heard someone talking about water cycle. What is it?
Water cycle is the change of water into water vapor and then back into water in nature. Let me explain this with the help of pictures. Look at the pictures and listen carefully. Water from the water bodies evaporates due to the heat of the sun. The water changes into water vapors and rises in the sky. Water vapors cool down and form clouds. When the clouds become heavy, water falls down as rain in the water bodies. Thus, the water cycle continues. We can save rainwater by rainwater harvesting. In this, rainwater is collected and stored in underground reservoirs. It is then used for washing, bathing, and other things. Katie, always remember that it is important for each one of us to save every drop of water and use it wisely.
હવે ચાલ ના